Ever tried to track your US-based income or expenses in Xero, but found yourself stumped by the lack of a dollar bank account? You're not alone. Many businesses struggle with this, especially those with international transactions. But fear not, because today we're diving deep into how to add a dollar bank account in Xero and conquer this accounting challenge once and for all. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why this is even important. Xero, while a fantastic accounting software, primarily operates in the local currency of the business owner. So, if your business deals with US dollars, having a dedicated dollar account within Xero is crucial for accurate financial reporting. Tracking income and expenses in the correct currency ensures your financial statements reflect the true picture of your business's performance. Simplified reconciliation. Reconciling transactions becomes much easier when you can match dollar-denominated transactions directly within Xero. Improved cash flow management. With a clear view of your dollar-denominated cash flow, you can make informed decisions about your business, such as when to pay invoices or when to expect payments. Enhanced tax compliance. Accurately tracking foreign currency transactions is essential for meeting your tax obligations in both your home country and the US. So, let's get down to business. Here's how to add a dollar bank account in Xero. 1. Log in to your Xero account. 2. Navigate to the Accounts tab. 3. Click on the Add Account button. 4. In the Account Type drop-down, select Bank or Current. 5. In the Account Name field, enter a descriptive name for your dollar account. For example, USD Bank Account, US Checking, or Bank of America USD. 6. In the Account Number field, enter the account number of your US bank account. 7. In the Currency field, select USD. In the Tax Type field, select the appropriate tax type for your dollar account. This will depend on your specific business structure and the nature of your transactions. Now, here's where things can get a little tricky. Xero might not automatically recognize your bank feeds for your US bank account. If this happens, don't worry. Here are a few workarounds. Bank feeds. Check for compatibility. Not all banks offer direct bank feeds with Xero. Check with your US bank to see if they have a direct integration with Xero. Manual entry. If direct feeds aren't available, you can manually enter your transactions into Xero. While this takes more time, it ensures all your transactions are accurately recorded. Third-party integrations. Explore third-party apps that can help you import bank transactions into Xero. Some popular options include Plaid and Expensify. Bank statements. Download bank statements. Download your bank statements from your US bank in CSV or PDF format. Import bank statements. Xero allows you to import bank statements directly. This can help you quickly reconcile your transactions. Once you've successfully added your dollar bank account and started tracking your transactions, it's crucial to maintain accurate records. Here are some best practices to follow. Regularly reconcile your account. Reconcile your dollar bank account in Xero with your bank statements on a regular basis, ideally weekly or monthly. This helps ensure the accuracy of your financial records and helps you identify any discrepancies quickly. Categorize your transactions. Categorize your dollar-denominated transactions correctly. This will make it easier to track your income and expenses and generate accurate reports. Use tracking categories. Utilize Xero's tracking categories to further segment your transactions. For example, you can track income and expenses by project, client, or department. Utilize foreign exchange rates. Ensure you're using the correct exchange rates when recording transactions in your local currency. Xero typically uses the prevailing exchange rate at the time of the transaction. Now, let's talk about some common challenges you might encounter when using a dollar bank account in Xero. Exchange rate fluctuations. Fluctuating exchange rates can significantly impact your profitability. Foreign currency transactions. Managing foreign currency transactions, such as paying international suppliers or receiving payments from overseas clients, can be complex. Tax implications. Understanding the tax implications of foreign currency transactions is crucial for compliance. To address these challenges, consider these tips. Hedge against currency fluctuations. Explore hedging strategies, such as forward contracts or currency options, to mitigate the impact of exchange rate fluctuations. Utilize foreign currency invoices. When dealing with international clients, request invoices in USD to simplify your accounting and minimize exchange rate risks. Seek professional advice. Consult with a tax advisor or accountant to understand the tax implications of your foreign currency transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your dollar bank account within Xero and gain valuable insights into your business's financial performance. Remember, accurate and timely financial information is crucial for making informed business decisions and ensuring the long-term success of your enterprise. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.